Okay, let's have another item. So, 25 is what percent of 200? First is we have to find the given. So, ano yung mga given natin? So, since walang mga percent dito, okay, walang percent sign, ang hinahanap natin ay rate. So, remember that rate is always multiplied to the base. So, we have here, 25 is what percent? So, ito yung rate of times 200. Okay, so that would mean 200 is our base and 25 is our percentage. Okay, so P is equal to 25 and the base is equal to 200. And we're solving for the rate. Now, our formula, okay, takpan lang natin si rate and that would give us P over B. So that would be the formula that we will use. Now, we solve by substitution. So, we have 25 over 200. That would give us 0.125. So, ang gagawin natin para maging percent siya, we need to multiply this by 100 or move the decimal point 2 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, magiging 12.5% siya. That would be our final answer. Tada! Alright. Okay, let's have another item. 125 is what percent of 620? So, first thing that we need to do is to identify our given. So, dito, ang nawawala ulit si rate. Kasi, hinahanap natin is yung percent. So, ano yung percentage, ano yung rate? So, since 125 is, so remember, our formula is P is equal to rate times base or base times rate. So, dito, si rate, naka-multiply siya kay base. So, ito, okay, may off tayo. So, times 620. So, this will be our base. Ito yung percentage natin. So, P is equal to 125. That is our percentage. Our base is 620. At ang hinahanap natin ay si rate. So, the formula that we're going to use is R is equal to P over B. Now, to solve this, let's substitute. We have 125 over 620. So, let's divide. That would give us an approximate answer kasi magiging infinite decimal siya. So, we just round off to 4 decimal places. So, magiging 0.2016. Then, we multiply it by 100 or move the decimal point 2 places to the right para maging percent siya. So, that would give us an approximate answer of 20.16%. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's have our next item. So, we have 5.2 is what percent of 65. So, first thing that we need to do is for us to identify our given. So, ano yung given natin? So, 5.2 is what percent of 65. So, meron tayong percent dito. And it's multiplied to 65 kasi yung word na off is times 65. That would be our base. So, itong 5.2 will be the percentage. 65 is our base and we're solving for the rate. Now, the formula that we're going to use will be R is equal to P over B. So, to solve it, we will substitute the given 5.2 over 65. So, divide. That would give us 0.08. Then we multiply it by 100 or we move the decimal point 2 units to the right. That would give us 8%. So the final answer here is 8%. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright.